Hello students, in the previous video I completed historical background of photosynthesis. Now in this video I am going to start with the site of photosynthesis. So actually all green parts of the plants are involved in performing photosynthesis, but leaves are the main sites of photosynthesis. Leaves are the main organs of photosynthesis, and in leaves, leaf consists of mesophyll cells. In these mesophyll cells, chloroplasts are present, and the number of chloroplasts present in mesophyll cell, one mesophyll cell will be larger than any other type, than the number of chloroplasts present in all other green parts of the plant. So this chloroplast is the main site of photosynthesis. This is the organelle of photosynthesis. This is involved in synthesizing the food required by the plant, and hence this chloroplast is also called as kitchen of cell. Okay, now let's study the details of this chloroplast in brief. So this is chloroplast. This chloroplast is double membrane bound or cell organelle, which consists of two membranes, that is outer membrane and inner membrane. So this is outer membrane and this is inner membrane, and the space occupied by this inner membrane consists of fluid matrix, and that matrix is called as stroma, or it can be called as matrix also. Inside this matrix, thylakoid membranous sacs. So membranous sacs are present, like this membranous sacs are present, and these membranous sacs are stacked one above the other in the form of piles of coins. These membranous sacs are called, each membranous sac is called as thylakoid. So this is thylakoid, and all these thylakoids are present one above the other. They are stacked one above the other to form a structure called granum. Singular is granum, plural is grana. So in the matrix or in the stroma of this chloroplast, many grana can be present. Many grana can be present like this. So all these grana are connected with one another with membranous structures called stroma lamellae or grana lamellae, which are also called as fret lamellae. So like this, grana are present, and these grana are connected together with one another with the help of membranous structures called stroma lamellae or grana lamellae or fret lamellae. These are also called as fret lamellae, like this. So this is called stroma lamellae or grana lamellae or fret lamellae. Fret lamellae. Okay, right. So actually photosynthesis occurs by two steps, two phases. They are light phase and dark phase. Let's study these light phase and dark phase, where this light phase occurs and where this dark phase occurs. So light phase also called as light reactions. Dark phase also called as dark reactions. Dark phase or dark reactions. So actually in these thylakoid membranes, in each and every thylakoid membrane, pigments are present. Photosynthetic pigments are present. So photosynthetic pigments are present. These photosynthetic pigments are involved in trapping sunlight. They absorb sunlight. So they absorb sunlight or they trap sunlight. And after trapping this sunlight, they convert that radiant form of energy. Radiant form of energy is nothing but sunlight, into chemical form of energy, that is in the form of ATP and NADPH. Chemical form of energy, that is ATP and NADPH. So all these reactions together are called as light reactions, where these light reactions are taking place inside the thylakoid membrane. Now let's study about dark reactions. So these dark reactions occur inside the stroma, and here inside the stroma enzymes are present. Enzymes are present. So these enzymes are involved in converting carbon dioxide, reducing carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. So they reduce carbon dioxide into carbohydrate by utilizing the chemical energy which is synthesized during light reactions. So here the dark phase is taking place. We cannot say that dark phase is taking place during dark, exactly during dark. It can occur during dark, but it can occur even in the presence of light also. So we cannot say that dark phase occurs only during dark and light phase occurs only during light. Okay, so dark reaction, suppose a statement is there like dark reaction is not dependent on sunlight. That statement is incorrect because this dark reaction is indirectly dependent on sunlight. Okay, so this is about dark reaction. So light reaction occurs inside the thylakoid membrane because inside the thylakoid membrane pigments are present, photosynthetic pigments. They trap sunlight or they absorb sunlight and convert that sunlight radiant form of energy into chemical form of energy, that is in the form of ADP and NADPH, whereas dark reactions occur inside the stroma, which consists of enzymes required for the conversion of that carbon dioxide into carbohydrate or reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. How it reduces? By utilizing the energy which is synthesized during light phase. So this is all about the site of photosynthesis, that is chloroplast, and light reaction and dark reaction. Now let's start with photosynthetic pigments.